Kervi Plus is a new education management system that covers all schools and educational institutions, from preschool to PhD level. Users of Kervi Plus include pupils and students, teachers, and administrators, and later also parents and guardians. As a user, you have the opportunity to view and register information in the system. The available features vary depending on whether you are attending or working in primary school, upper secondary education, or higher education. As a pupil or student, you can see an overview of, for example, your timetable, weekly plan, your personal information, and your subjects. The number of features increases as you progress through the education system, from a basic timetable in first grade to, for instance, attendance records and grades at higher levels. If you log in as a teacher, you can see your timetable, send messages to your classes, register attendance and grades, view your personal information, and more. If you are an administrator, this is where all registration and administration of pupils and students, programs, subjects, rooms, and other elements take place. On schooln.fo you can find guides on how to use the system according to your needs. Kervi Plus, one place for everyone throughout the entire school and education journey. Try Kervi Plus now and explore the features available to you.